What a turnout already, and what's the time? It's not even, you probably know by the title, but this is the Anomalous Media / Otaku Garage car meet. We'll probably do a bit of a walk around once we got all the VIP cars in and see what rocked up, have a chat to a few people.
Yeah,
Another
really
thing as well,
it.
at the end of this video, we will be announcing the giveaway winner.
Oh yeah, the Raceworks catch.
So make sure you watch till the end and we will be announcing that winner.
Is this illegal?
No.
Yes. We're telling people not to do it.
It's actually a protest. No, hooning.
I'm watching you.
You guys are, I hate your videos.
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah? Guys, I train for strength, not endurance. It gets heavy. Aye.
That's a Stark, obviously. You
I'm watching you guys.
Are we going to put it against that pole?
What's wrong with a bit of hooning? Oh, the fitment. That's clean.
No, sometimes when we be feeling sad. I'm talking about the blues. I ain't talking about monkey jump.
Great YouTuber, great chick.
Finally got it sorted. This is the winner of the Yeti water bottle.
Oh hell
He finally got it.
Congrats.
So it is real, the giveaways are real. Did you think it was fake at first?
Nah, couldn't tell.
You couldn't tell.
That was a funny. Nah.
That sounds so good. Oh, that's the 1J, yeah.
That's
One day again, boys.
Oh, mate, why do you think we're doing two 1Js? Best engine in the world, apart from the SR. Do you want to see what's under it?
Alright, Ruben, when you're editing this, take that out. If you put that...
Yeah, even if you want to have a bit of a play around.
Honestly,
so obviously see how bright...
Talking about
I've never seen anything like that.
So
It's literally two pop ribbons.
It's actually impressive though.
Feel how sturdy it is though. The support was phenomenal. We didn't expect it. People behaved themselves. It allowed us to have a good time and a good meet, and we had a great turnout.
We're probably going to go from here and we'll do the announcement for the giveaway. So again, thanks for coming and stay tuned for more giveaways coming.
We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Alright guys, we're going to do the giveaway now, the Raceworks catch can. So we've got all the comments of all the videos. In here we have 79.
So the way we did it was every video you commented on gave you one entry.
Alright.
I reckon there's a few in there that don't actually realise they've entered either.
This guy commented
Some
a
people
lot.
literally roasting us and I just put them in anyway.
Again, we'd like to thank Big Guy Performance Parts for helping us out with this giveaway. Right, let's just send it.
Hell, roll us.
It needs
There it is.
Another bang of view. Alright, yeah, we'll give it to him.
Yeah, he can have it. No, look, I'm sorry, Mike. I can tell you really wanted that.
Maybe he just really likes that video. I highly doubt it. But yeah.
Alright, well, that's the end of this video.
There's a message on Instagram and we'll get in contact with you, get your details and stuff. Get in contact with us, message us on Facebook on the page or on Instagram and we'll get your details and we'll get it
Congrats again, David.